Can the world's strongest dog beat a big cat in a fight? Kangals are fearless, 140-pound guardian dogs, strong bite force, 743 psi. Show Kangal in action, protecting livestock. But lions and tigers? 400-plus lbs, 1,000-plus psi bites, born hunters versus jaguar? The Kangal loses to fast, too stealthy. Beast lion or tiger? No chance. Too big, too brutal, amazing dog, but no match for big cats in 1v1 fights. Still, the Kangal reigns as the king of guard dogs.